Welcome students. Today we will take up the study of a poem, second poem. We have already attempted it, its summary and other questions also. Today we will do it in some other way. We will find out the tips to memorize it, and like that. How to memorize it? We will draw a mind map, an elementary school classroom in Assam. It is written by Stephen Spender. So, in order to memorize it, we will divide it into three parts. First part is the condition of the children. Second part relates to the condition of the classrooms. And the third one is an appeal to the authorities. What should be done about it? So, as regards condition of the children, we will remember it like this. Condition of the children. One is that is pathetic and deplorable. There is poverty, misery and disease. Right? So, pathetic. First thing. Next is that their appearance, they look pale, pale faces. Their faces are pale. Pale faces. Next, unkempt hair. The hair are not combed. They are like lifeless weeds. Lifeless weeds. They are like rootless weeds. As if they don't have any, the unwanted. They are not wanted. Unkempt hair. You can see like rootless weeds, because when we are sowing something in a field, we throw away the unwanted weeds which are there. So their hair was like that, unwanted, rootless weeds. Third is by stating that a tall girl, her head was bowed down. It is representing the whole class of girls, and drooping. They are burdened with some anxiety, stress is there, of poverty. The drooping heads of girls. Next, what about boys? They are thin, paper thin. They are thin and with red size. Thin boys with red size. What's meant by red size? As the rat goes on for searching food, these children have nothing else to do but to how to make both ends meet. This is the problem in their house. Lack of resources, lack of money. So the thin boys with red eyes. And then there is a description of others also, that a boy, though he's studying, but he's telling his fellow student that he has inherited these diseases from his father. And then a boy whom the poet likes, he says that he has dreams in his eyes and he wants to play outside in the green fields. So we can summarize that there is lack of enthusiasm. There is lack of enthusiasm. Now we come to the condition of the classrooms. Classrooms, the walls, what is the appearance of the walls? Colored, sour creamy walls. The walls are sour creamy. That is, they show lifeless. The surroundings of the children is lifeless. Such a paint is there. Sour creamy. Sour is when you keep give the milk or for sometimes 2 or 3 days. Some cream is there, it becomes yellow and gives a bad odor. So sour creamy walls. Next is ill ventilated, small room, not much room is there, and then on the walls there are hanging pictures which do not have any correlation with the word of these children. What are those? No correlation. With Shakespeare's picture. Flower Valley. They have never been. They are not been exposed. Flower Valley. And what else is there? Maps. Word map. What does the word map convey to them? It shows the lines drawn and reshaped by kings and dictators to show their might. And their place, the slum, does not find any place in that map. And It's a blot. Is it a blot? Yes, it's a blot on those who wield power, that there does exist a world which they have ignored. Now, what should be done? He appeals. He urges the authorities to make improvement in the lot of these children, this section of society. Make improvement in the lots of these children. He doesn't stop here. He suggests that they should be led to green fields. And they should be exposed to the best literature that has come out from generations. Exposed. He says that they should be given the freedom to express themselves. And the word belongs to those who remain under the sun. What remedy does he suggest? Only redemption. Their only redemption is what is this? Only redemption is through the medium of education. So he gives a message. This will cover almost all the questions that could come on this topic. Apart from it, we should study the symbolic importance of maps, windows, walls, lead sky, then slag heap waste. The factories are collecting somewhere waste material. That heaps of those are lying outside. Slag heaps. I like that. What's the significance of rootless weeds? What's the significance of sun? What is the significance of then red size, like these things we should concentrate on this study, and we can do justice with the answers. If you have any queries, please do that in the